Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tricknology. If your C drive is suddenly full but you don't know what's taking up all the space, then follow my steps. Most people install third-party software to find large files. But in Windows, you can do it using a simple PowerShell command. At first, you need to go to your Start window and type PowerShell. After that, right-click on PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. After open PowerShell, you need to now paste the command which I'll give you on my video description. This command scans your entire drive and it will display the largest file along with their locations. If you only want to scan a specific drive, then simply replace C:2 D: or E: or any other drive later. You can also modify the command to display only large file than 1 GB, making it even easier to find storage hogging files. And that's it. In just few seconds, you can identify the files consuming the most disk space and free up storage without installing any extra software. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment my video, and I will see you guys on the next one.